Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video I'll be showing you how to hide a photo or video in Snapchat. First, let me go into gallery and show you the photo that I'll be hiding. Go into my albums and then hide the picture of that. No, I'll be hiding this picture of the Bitmoji, as you can see there. Now let me go into Snapchat. Then when you go into Snapchat, instead of clicking on the camera, you'll click on the two cards right beside it, and then you will select camera roll, and then let me search for that Bitmoji picture. There it is. Then you're going to click on the three dots that are in the top right hand corner, and then select my eyes only, and then yes, you want to move it, and then you're going to get the option to delete the original. Simply press delete and press delete again. So the original would have been deleted from your camera roll, as you can see here. And then with my hands only, now you will set up a password, so it'll be password protected. And if I should go close out of Snapchat and go back into galleries, you realize that the photo is no longer there, as you can see there. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.